My Health Edge tonight, a lot of people will be decorating their homes and yards for the holidays this weekend, and that means there is the potential for bumps, bruises, and broken bones. Festive scenes like this can't help but put you in the holiday spirit. But when Tim Taylor thinks about Christmas lights, his mind goes back to that fall he took from a 12-foot ladder.
I was at the top of the ladder. I was above the step that says, "Do not step above this step."
Tim didn't have anyone spotting for him, so before he knew it, he had fallen.
I shattered my wrist and broke my back.
Tim's shattered wrist was the most serious injury because his back healed on its own. Beaumont orthopedic surgeon Dr. Rohde was able to repair Tim's wrist using metal plates. She knows she's likely to have many more of these cases in the next couple of weeks.
This does tend to be a very busy time for us, especially with the ice outside and people climbing a lot of ladders, not necessarily with a lot of experience using them.
From her patients' experiences, she has come up with a list of ways to stay safe while decorating for the holidays. First, use an appropriate ladder or a step stool if you're trying to reach high places like the top of the Christmas tree. No matter what, don't climb on the furniture. Ask a friend to hold or stabilize the ladder to prevent falls or help with the decorating. Inspect the ladder to make sure there are no loose screws, hinges, or rungs. Place your ladder on a firm, level surface and don't drink and decorate.
Climbing on a ladder after you've had some alcohol is probably not the best idea.
And don't be overconfident because the ladder is not a really tall one.
I've seen quite a few people fall off of ladders and have really, really terrible wrist fractures, or as I said, hip fractures, even spine fractures.
Tim isn't going to take any chances this year. He isn't putting up his normal Christmas display.
This year, since my accident, I decided not to climb up the ladder and do it. I just did the hedges and I just did the yard work.
One more decorating safety tip for you. Don't stretch to one side so far that you risk tipping the ladder over. Instead, climb down, move the ladder, and then climb back up.